In this video, I will teach you how you can create your Snapchat ads account step by step. I will also show you how you can set up your Snapchat ads payment method and get your Snapchat ad account ready to run your first Snapchat ads. Without wasting time, let's dive in.
Open your Google Chrome browser and type snapchat.com. If you have not logged in your Snapchat account, go ahead and log in your Snapchat account. Then at the left hand side here, you will see the settings icon. Click on settings. Go through this and you will see Snapchat ads. Click on Snapchat ads. You will be directed to this interface. Since you have already logged in your Snapchat account, go over here and click on login. It will open up like this. Click on the business name and input your business name. After inputting your business name, confirm your email address. They usually input the same email you use for your Snapchat account. Then scroll down. You will see next button right here. Click on next. It will open up like this. They will ask you, where do you do business? There is country here. The default country is United States. There's a drop down button by the side. Click on this drop down button and you will see different countries here. Different countries. So select your country. If you're in the United Kingdom, you are going to see United Kingdom. Just type United Kingdom. You see that right here. So select United Kingdom, okay? And the currency right here, just go ahead and select British pounds. For those of you who are in Nigeria, there is no Nigeria here. So you will leave it at United States and you leave the currency at USD, okay? The next thing is phone number. Select your country code, click on this, select United Kingdom right here and input your phone number. Your business website is optional, so you can leave this one. If you're in Nigeria, leave it at the US country code. Your business website is optional. If you have, then input your business website here, paste it there. Next, you will see this box. You can read this statement beside it. You are to agree to receive promotional and communication, including through automated calls and SMS. So you can just check this box, then click on the next button down below. The next step is to complete your public profile. I will still use the same name. Then click on create public profile. Click on this button. You can see profile created. You are not running your Snapchat ad yet because you have not completed your ad account setup. Down below, you will click on back to manage view. So click on this. Now they are asking you, get free credit. It is on us. Spend $50 and get $75, or spend $350, get $375. So you can select this one, spend $50, get $75. You can click on get it now, or if you don't want any of the ad credits, you can just click on maybe later. I can go with this first one, spend $50, get $75. So I'll click on get it now. Now let's complete our Snapchat ad account setup so that our Snapchat ad account will be ready for ads. At the top right hand side here, you will see manage ads. Click on the drop down button beside it. Go to the last column under business. You will see business dashboard here. Click on business dashboard. These are the steps you need to complete your business dashboard. The first one has been completed by verifying your business email. So the next thing here is to set your address. Click on add address. So input your address line 1, select the city where your business is located, enter your postal code, then enter the address 2, enter your state/province and your country. If you're in the UK, select UK here. At the top right hand corner here, you will see this save button. Click on save. After that, go back to your business dashboard. At the left hand side here, you will see business dashboard. Click on business dashboard. Now we are done setting the business address. The next thing is to set your payment method. So click on add payment here. You will see a payment method has not been added yet. So go to the top right hand corner here. You will see new payment method. Click on new payment method button here. These are the various payment methods you can use: credit card, PayPal. You can also apply for credit, or you use this prepay here. I will be selecting credit card. Then scroll down, you will see payment method details. So input your payment method nickname. I will use send. Then enter your other card details, okay? After inputting your card details, for country, select your country. If you're in the United Kingdom, click on this drop down button here. You will see United Kingdom right here. Scroll up. At the top right hand corner, you will see this create payment method button here. Click on create payment method.
Now that your Snapchat ads account is ready, the next thing is to run your first Snapchat ads. I've created a separate video on how you can run your Snapchat ads. If you're interested in the step-by-step tutorial on how to run your first Snapchat ads, then like this video and drop the comment Snapchat ads tutorial at the comment section, and I'll upload that video for you.